A homestay owner and a worker have been arrested from Coorg in Karnataka in connection with the alleged rape of an American woman. According to the police, the incident took place at a homestay in Kutta village, which falls under the Virajpet Assembly constituency. The victim, who is a US resident, was residing at the property when the alleged crime occurred. Following the complaint, the police registered a case and took both the accused into custody. Further investigation is currently underway to ascertain the full sequence of events. Let me in fact go across to Brinda Adige, who's a women's rights activist who's joining us on this broadcast. Thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out your time and for speaking to NewsX. A very horrific incident coming out from Karnataka. It's a tourist and unfortunately has been the victim of a violent crime. The two accused are now in custody. But how are you looking at this, what are your observations on this case?
See, there seems to be a total lack of fear of law. And I think it is also high time that the Karnataka government starts licensing homestays. If there are no licenses given to them, then their impunity also increases because nobody else knows anything about the homestay and who is staying there or who are the owners. And I think that is the arrogance with which these two have committed the crime. And the victim survivor also complained that the internet was switched off. So she was not able to get in touch with probably her own friends. And we don't know whether there is any kind of information put out in the homestay as to where they can call in an emergency, either 121 or you call the police or you call the local panchayat. So all of that information also would not have been there. And this lady may not have known who to report to. For whatever reason, she did not come out of the house. Maybe she's scared. She didn't know the place. So it could be all of those things. But the impunity with which the homestay owner and somebody who has been assisting him have committed this crime also goes to show that they might have some powerful connections. And if they have those powerful connections, there's bound to be political patronage, because of which they are not even scared that the police will come and ask them any questions or somebody would report something and they must be answerable to it. So all of this squarely falls with the state government and why they have not looked into these matters. This is not the first time, and probably this man is not committing such a crime the first time. He may have committed it in the past also, and he has got away. So many of the tourists, I think it is also the tourism department's responsibility to say that if you are going to stay somewhere, if you are going especially to homestays and places like that, you inform the local police. At least somebody can keep tabs on the guest. If they have not responded to a call for 24 hours, then probably the police, local police also has a responsibility. At the end of the day, it is not enough for us to say, Atati Devo Bhava. We have to also, act out to say that once you are in my country, we ensure that your safety is our concern and our responsibility.
Absolutely, ma'am.